Hello everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video tech tip, we'll be discussing various shortcuts throughout the xApps within the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Mainly we'll be in the xDesign app during the demo phase. If you look in front of you, you can see some of the different shortcuts that we're going to discuss. And we'll see the S key shortcut. If you're from a SOLIDWORKS background, you'd know already this makes a little box pop up right next to your cursor. They've also put mouse gestures in the different xApps. If you right click and start to drag your mouse, a wheel with different commands pops up depending on where you're at in the apps. If you click or right click on anything, a context menu flies up trying to guess what you might want to do. These are very helpful. And if you hit the X key, a shortcut menu pops up and lets you switch to the different xApps. Let's say you get done with some swoopy curvy part and then you want to switch into X frame and work on a steel frame for something. Just hit the X key and it makes it super easy. Let's dive into the software and take a look. So when you're first in the xDesign app, it looks something similar to a blank part inside SOLIDWORKS. You have 3 planes. If you click on a plane, immediately you're prompted with a flyout menu that allows you to start a sketch. If you're in a sketch and you hit the S key, you'll see an S key shortcut pops up that allows you to grab different sketch tools when you're in a sketch. If you're not in a sketch, it has different tools on it. I'm going to grab the line tool and show that when we are dimensioning in xDesign, we can do it a little bit differently. Let's say I want this line to go 4 inches. I can just punch a dimension in as I'm drawing. I still have to click an endpoint down for it to know where I want to stop in the direction of the line. You don't have to do it like that, but if you're from an AutoCAD background, you might have enjoyed that. I'm going to show some other ways that you can do this as well. If you just click on any line segment, a little ghost dimension will pop up, and you can click on that and dimension that as well. This works with arcs and circles as well. Now, if I want to use any other tools, I can check my mouse gesture wheel and see what we've got on there. Check that out. Oh, we've got the sketch fillet right there. I just right click and drag and I have a variety of sketch tools at my fingertips. I'm going to go ahead and add some sketch fillets in. And you can see I can dimension these with the provided on-screen dimensions pretty easily. Now, another thing that's really cool, if I just click inside of a closed boundary, I'm prompted with another menu with some different options. I could go right into extrude and make this into a base for something. One thing that's just slightly different with xDesign is you can do extrudes making volume, but you could also remove volume from the same command. I kind of like it better. You can cut or extrude from the same thing. Just one command to remember for that. And if I click on any face that I just made, I could start another sketch. Use my mouse gesture wheel to grab a circle, dimension that thing, maybe 1 inch. And we still have our smart dimension tool also. If I use my mouse gesture, you can see I can access that. If you like that from SOLIDWORKS, we still have that functionality as well. Then I could just quickly click inside the contour that I want to cut out and make sure it's going the right way. Switch it to a cut. Make it go through all. And it's that easy. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you learned something about these shortcuts. There's one more left. If I wanted to switch into maybe X shape, I can hit my X key and quickly switch over into any of those different xApps. I hope you learned something valuable. Maybe it'll help you speed up your workflow or smooth your transition if you're coming from SOLIDWORKS into an xDesign app. Thanks. Have a nice day.